Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. This video will discuss 10 ways to grow your Shopify store in 2022. Before starting our video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more regular updates. The following is a list of the most important financial institutions in the world, along with information on each one. So, let's start today's video. You've invested blood, sweat, and money into establishing a Shopify store that reflects your values and interests. Now is the moment to expand the store, and you have no idea where to start. To aid in expanding your organization's reach, we have compiled the most crucial aspects of expanding your Shopify business. Implementing the materials and recommendations listed below. Number 1. Sell more products. Easy enough, correct? However, this is a very potent piece of advice. You should provide a broader selection of products. This allows you to attract a broader spectrum of potential customers. Hence, you make more sales. Start with your primary offering. It must be something distinctive. Upon gaining traction, determine which supplementary goods you may sell alongside it. You can gain inspiration by examining the best-selling products in your category. Examine popular websites such as Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. The main point is to investigate and evaluate your alternatives thoroughly. Ensure that your product line is sufficiently adaptable. Number 2. Focus on retaining your existing customers. Here are a few statistics you should know. 65% of revenues are generated by returning consumers. A 5% improvement in client retention can raise profitability by as much as 95%. Then it makes it logical to devote more work to retaining your current clients. For example, your Shopify store is losing more of its existing clients. Then you would need to acquire more new clients to maintain your current revenue levels. However, achieving new customers requires significantly more effort than keeping existing ones. You are more likely to purchase from a previously visited retailer than from a new one. Consistent communication is one of the most successful means of corporate expansion. Send regular emails to maintain their interest. So involved that when they consider online shopping, they immediately think of your e-commerce site. Your emails can be store alerts, including news of new product releases and special deal offers. Personalized greetings such as birthday greetings and holiday wishes. Loyalty incentives such as discounts for repeat customers. However, remember that communication cannot be unidirectional. You can't just disregard your consumers. Therefore, you must be attentive to their inquiries and concerns. Number 3. Run a referral program. Like most physical businesses, customers are more likely to patronize stores recommended by others. A referral program is an appropriate alternative to word of mouth for Shopify online stores. It does assume a variety of shapes. Therefore, it is preferable to systematize and integrate it into your e-commerce website. Your point of origin should be providing an exceptional client experience on your Shopify store. People wouldn't talk about you if they had a poor purchasing experience in your store. Unless it is to complain, which is also unhealthy, ensure the satisfaction of the customers you are attracting. Your next step is to conduct additional research. This is specifically to determine what customers think to be a good incentive or reward. Step 3 is to market it in every manner imaginable. Consider methods beyond your store's website for attracting customers. The best place to begin is by ordering confirmation emails. You can also use referral tools to evaluate your progress. Referral Candy, Tap Mango, Referral Rock, and Rocket Referrals are some examples. Number 4. Partner with established brands. You're a new e-commerce site. Associating with successful brands can assist. You can do this in several ways. One is to find authoritative websites in your product's field. Make contact. Tell them your online store has some of the things they mention. Ask if they can recommend you as a supplier. Manufacturers are another option. If they say reliable retailers, ask how to join. When necessary, share product performance and buyer reviews. Make your USP known. Having a store in a target region is one example. You may also have a storage and shipment arrangement. They're better stocked than other retailers. Most of your traffic will be product-interested buyers. Number 5. Improve your Shopify SEO. Obtaining a high ranking on the most prominent search engines is one of the most crucial tactics for growing your Shopify store. Here are some tips for reaching the top page of search engine results. Registering your online store with Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools is the initial step in optimizing your site and increasing its visibility. Speed is one of the primary metrics utilized by search engines. The faster a website can load, the better. Make your website faster, reduce image sizes and use web-safe fonts. The longer visitors remain on your website, the higher it will rank. Maintain intriguing content so that people will want to stay on your page. Find keywords that are relevant and commonly searched for your brand. It will assist you in attracting the most organic visitors to your store. Number 6. Utilize social media platforms. You can rapidly and affordably market your Shopify store to millions of potential customers using social media. Advertise on social media platforms. This is a highly successful method for reaching potential consumers beyond your circle of acquaintances. Choose your time frame and target audience, and Facebook or LinkedIn will do the rest. Regularly post intriguing stuff. Your social media page is a tool to promote your mission and goals. To keep your audience engaged, it is essential to maintain your content marketing new and engaging. Utilize captivating visuals. In social media, the first stage is to capture the reader's attention. Choose aesthetically attractive photos that complement the brand image you are creating. Number 7. Create a compelling cart abandonment email. An essential aspect of optimizing your client retention and sales recovery approach is here. It automates sending emails to customers who abandoned their shopping carts in your store. Over 70% of online shopping carts are abandoned before the deal is completed. However, almost half of all cart abandonment emails are opened, and nearly a third of clicks result in sales on the original website. This is particularly true if your email reminder includes a discount voucher. To provide a better explanation, your consumer may have just become preoccupied. An abandoned cart email can foster brand loyalty. Demonstrate your concern for the completion of their purchase. Number 8. Sharpen your content marketing with storytelling. Remember that the objective of content marketing is not to advertise your Shopify business openly. Instead, the aim is to develop an interest in your brand as a problem solver and position it as an industry leader. In 2022, infographics will also go viral for content. It combines visual and textual elements into a single format. Quality content marketing goes beyond simply promoting the things you sell. It involves determining how to add value to the consumer experience at various journey points. For example, you offer swimsuits. You might write an article or create a video about the top beaches in the world to visit. But regardless of the format you use, ensure that your content is complete, relevant enough to the interests of your target audience to inspire them to share it. Demonstrate how your product can assist in solving their difficulties. In addition, all of your content marketing initiatives must incorporate the power of storytelling. Number 9. Optimize your Shopify site for mobile use. You probably utilized a computer for efficiency when developing your Shopify store. Everything appeared flawless before your logout, but the majority of customers will access your store via a mobile device. To guarantee you are presenting yourself in the best possible manner to every potential customer, visit your store from your mobile device and examine the following. Are your paragraphs of an appropriate length? Customers will likely stay on your site longer if the sections are shorter and less scary. Your photographs should be of excellent quality and simple to load. When submitting your Shopify store on a mobile device, make sure the graphics are crisp and the videos upload promptly. Is your shop aesthetically pleasing? Do the pictures correspond with the corresponding text as you go through your products? Number 10. Consider the targeting for your pop-ups. Sharing the right message at the right time to the right audience is critical to your success. For example, when it comes to your welcome pop-up, you should target first-time visitors and make sure it doesn't appear too soon. Start with a 5-second timer or 75% scroll. This means it'll show after 5 seconds or if someone scrolls 75% down your page. So, this is all about for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon to get more such regular updates.